Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yanindra Widya. You can call me Andra. I come from 9.7. Today I will description about the planet. A planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the sun, has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces, so that it assumes hydrostatic equilibrium or nearly round shape, and has led the neighborhood around its orbit. The term planet originally comes from the Greek word for wanderer. Many ancient cultures observed these moving stars, but it wasn't until the advent of the telescope in the 1600 years that astronomers were able to look at them in more detail. With 400 billion Milky Way stars, we estimate they contain 1 to 10 trillion orbiting planets total. The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, downgraded the status of Pluto to that of a 12th planet because it did not meet the three criteria the IAU used to define a full-size planet. Essentially, Pluto meets all the criteria except one: it has not cleared its neighboring region of other objects. The Sun and Moon are not planets when you consider the objects in space they orbit. For the Sun to be a planet, it will have to orbit another Sun. Although the Sun is in orbit, it moves around the center of mass of the Milky Way galaxy, not another star. This giant's early existence may explain odd arrangement of planets in the solar system. Jupiter was probably the first planet in the solar system to form. No research suggests its existence may have influenced how the planets evolved into the order we see today. Formation: the Sun formed about 4.6 billion years ago in a giant spinning cloud of gas and thus called the solar nebula. As the nebula collapsed under its own gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. The Greeks and Romans named most of the planets in the solar system after particular gods, and we have kept those names in English. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, all unknown in classical times, were named by the modern astronomers who discovered them, but still after Greek and Roman gods. The different about the planet is have 8 planets. There is Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturnus, Uranus, and Neptunus. Okay, there is some about description about planet. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.